This is the quick review with determinants. And remember, determinants are a means to an end. They allow you to determine something. All right, they're just simply a number, and so determinants. But you have to know how to get them. They are the key to solving matrix equations. So you have to remember the pattern, and so it's a diagonal multiplication. So we're going to multiply the 2 times the 5 and get a 10. And you have to remember when you do the diagonal the other way, it's minus, and then the 3 times 4, or 12. Final value of this determinant is a -2. A -2. Also, don't forget there are a lot of different ways to notate a determinant. You can use what looks like absolute value for the determinant. You can just use a DET for a determinant, or you can use a DET with the A letter for a determinant. So a few different ways of notating that we want a determinant. All right, 3 by 3 is a little bit more interesting. So again, we have to do the diagonal method. And so 3 by 3, so if you'll follow, my first diagonal is a 1 times 3 times 6, and that's going to be an 18, right? 1 times 3 times 6, and that's an 18. All right, my second diagonal is the -3 times the 4 for a -12 times the 2. So that's a -24 on the second diagonal, -24. The third diagonal, 2 times -2 is -4 times -1 is +4. So my third diagonal is a +4. And then again, remember this minus. Now minus going the opposite direction. Okay, and these I highlighted to help you to see the diagonals the other way. So here's the first one in blue. 2 times 3 is 6 times 2 is 12. Here's the second diagonal in green. -3 times a -2 is a +6 times 6 is a +36. And then the last in black, again the diagonal, 1 times 4 is 4 times -1 is -4. Okay, so let's just simplify. This is a -6, this is a -2, and we got this minus out front. And this is what, a 48/44? And so we end up with the value of this determinant as a -46. So determinants for a 2 by 2 and for a 3 by 3.